Draw
in a circle and drawing. Wait and watch what I do.
what I'll do.
What I do. Now let's start.
Draw. Draw a line approximately in the quarter of the circle, and this and parallelly like 2 to 3 minutes for like 7 millimeter gaps needed. And next we are going and next we are going to draw like this, guys. So draw now, Luvina, draw. See, you should put 2 parallel lines and like 2 centimeter gap. Okay, you can 2 to 3 centimeter gap. How many centimeters? Take 3 centimeter gap, guys. Luvina, take 3 centimeter gap. Take 3 centimeters gap.
Okay, wait.
What? We had taken 3 centimeter gap, and you should draw a parallel line. And next, wow, Luvina, and a small line, and it's like a frame, and you should draw here, guys, in that point for a great. And now the next step. Okay,
Wait, I will draw.
it 3 centimeter was too. Oh, there's an. Can you put another stick here, draw a stick here, Luvina, please?
In the middle?
Yeah, middle of this. Good, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And where?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, it's okay. Straight line, guys. 4 minutes. Next, draw a moon, guys. A moon in the 1 minute, guys. I'll show you. In the northwest region of the thing, like the top right corner, top left. Here, crescent. Draw a crescent shape, guys. Crescent. Start. Do. Okay, guys, you should draw a crescent shape. It's little clumsy, guys, but also let's. Next, you should draw a chain hanging like from the moon. The
Not
crescents.
from the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Draw. Afterwards, after the drawing, for emergency only we are using. What are you doing, Livina? You can do in sketch also, guys, in the chain. Like you should put so many circles like thing.
For like small children.
For small children. Small. Going on, you should do little small. You should go on and do a dot. There, you should draw a heart.
Where is the pencil? And you sheet.